Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Sharia. First, ensure your Binance app is updated to version 3.0 or higher. This service provides a unique way to grow your crypto assets ethically, adhering to Islamic finance principles. To begin, simply log into your Binance account, then navigate to the Earn section. From there, select Sharia to explore the available compliant products. Sharia currently supports three major cryptocurrencies: BNB, Ethereum, and Solana. Unlike traditional interest-based products, rewards here come directly from on-chain staking activities, ensuring full Sharia compliance. For BNB, you'll receive a fixed annual percentage rate, with rewards distributed daily. When staking Ethereum or Solana, you'll receive liquid tokens such as WBETH or BNSOL, whose value grows over time. To subscribe, first choose one of the supported Sharia-compliant tokens like BNB, Ethereum, or Solana. Next, specify the amount you wish to stake and select your preferred duration. For BNB, you can choose periods like 15, 60, 90, or 120 days. Always review the terms and conditions carefully before confirming your subscription. Your staked assets and rewards can be tracked easily within the Assets and Earn sections. Binance Sharia offers a transparent and ethical way to grow your digital assets, fully aligned with Islamic finance principles. It is certified by Amini advisors, ensuring strict adherence to Sharia law by avoiding interest, excessive uncertainty, and non-compliant industries. This platform provides peace of mind, knowing your investments are managed ethically. It's a significant step towards inclusive finance, offering a principled approach to the digital economy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.